Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me and today you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern. It based on 3 stitches and has 2 rows. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Let's get started crocheting. You can use any kind of yarn. Make a chain of 20. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My foundation chain is ready. Next row will be a row of single crochet stitches. For this, make a chain. Insert the hook into the second chain, stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet 1, 2. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and pattern has 2 rows. This is my unique stitch pattern. So for this pattern I am using 18 stitches and plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I am done a row of single crochet stitches. Then I will show you how to crochet my unique stitches. For the beginning of the next row, make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work. For the toe stitch, make yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. So I'm going to work with my unique stitches based on triple crochet stitch. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the second stitch before I skip this one. Pull up a loop. Then pull through 3 loops at once. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My first stitch is ready. It is based on triple crochet stitch. Let's repeat one more time. For the next stitch, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I remind you my stitch based on 3 stitches and it has 3 tops. This is amazing row of my unique stitches. Here how it looks. Let's complete this row with me. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the single crochet, pull up loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4. My second row is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It's gonna be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet. So make 3 single crochet into the my unique stitch, 1, 2, and 3, like this. 1, 2, and 3. Keep working. 1, 2, 3. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. To complete this round, insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the 6th chain stitch. This is the 6th one from the, please do not skip it. My row is ready. Let's turn the work. And this is the front side of the pattern. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. One of them is my unique stitches, and the second one is single crochet stitches. Now I will show you how to crochet my unique stitches based on quadruple treble crochet stitch. Make chain of 7 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. So I'm making the same way as I did before. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through and pull through. My first stall stitch is ready. Then I'm going to work in the same way. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and which stitches do you like the most. Let's make the next one. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. Make a chain and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and so on. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. How to complete it I will show you next. I'm done with this row, now I show you how to complete it. It is based on quadruple treble crochet stitch, and let's complete this row with me. For this, make yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 2 loops. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. This row is ready. Let's crochet this row. Let's crochet the next one. It's gonna be a row of single crochet. For this, make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet 1. So my stitch based on 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch from the top, or this is the 7th one from the bottom. Make single crochet. Then turn the work and let's stop and look what I have done. Pattern consists of 2 rows. I made my unique stitches based on tall stitches. Then I will show you how to crochet unique stitches based on taller stitch. This pattern could be perfect to create any scarf or any accessories for home or kitchen. You just need to change color of yarn and kind of yarn. For the next row, make chain of 8 to bring up the yarn. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I'm making the same way as I showed you before. Yarn over the hook, make a chain, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here what I have. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops at once, pull through 2 loops. 1, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through. So let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops, pull through 3 loops at once, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I am done 2 unique stitches in this row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you as usually how to complete this round with me. And I will start the next round. And I will show you how to start the next row. So I'm about to complete this row. Now I show you how to complete this row with me. For this, make the toe stitch, and that's it. Let's crochet the toe stitch. It is very interesting and not difficult pattern. Yarn over the hook 6 times. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch or stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 7 times. And let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet, and make 3 single crochet into the unique stitch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's complete this row with me. This is the row of single crochet stitches. Don't forget about the last chain stitch. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch. This is the 8th chain stitch from the bottom, or first one from the top, and make single crochet. To secure the yarn by making a chain. So that's it, my swatch is ready. It could be perfect for the coaster or mug rack or another accessories for kitchen. Each toe stitch based on triple treble crochet stitch or quadruple treble. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. One of them is single crochet and the second row is my unique stitches. I remind you, to create your own project you can change color of yarn, kind of yarn, crochet hook, add some rows with single crochet or double crochet between my unique stitches. It depends what kind of pattern or project you would like to get. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Good luck in crocheting, see you next time, and bye!